good day sa lahat ng ating viewers all over the world. At tayo po ay nandito naman sa panibagong tutorial, another episode of my tutorial about StreamYard. At sa ngayon, ang ating gagamitin ay paano tayo makakapag-schedule ng ating live stream gamit lamang ang StreamYard sa YouTube. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Okay, I will share to you my screen para sa ating tutorial today. At I will share to you this tutorial gamit lamang ang ating YouTube or Google Chrome. Punta kayo sa inyong browser sa Google Chrome. Kailangan meron muna kayong StreamYard application sa inyong cellphone. Ito ang ating tinatawag StreamYard. So just type StreamYard at makikita nyo rito yung ating free trial na StreamYard, live streaming o yung tinatawag nating free trial StreamYard. Ito ang StreamYard. So click nyo lang yung StreamYard at may makikita kayo rito, the easiest way to create professional live stream. So you will have to click the get started. Type nyo muna dito ang inyong email address. Yan, ang inyong email ad. Get started. Yan. Dito makikita ninyo that account exists. So, ibig sabihin, meron na akong account sa StreamYard. So, I will just type to try logging in. Pero kung wala kayong account sa StreamYard, mag-start kayo dito. Let's say, gagamit tayo ng ibang email. Ito. Ayan. Must contain a symbol o gamit kayo ng ibang email na talagang ginagamit nyo. Ito. Get started. So, pakikita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ito. So, dito, magpapasa ng email. Check nyo yung email nyo. Kung si Bob support, yan, halimbawa itong email nyo. At may darating doon na 6-digit code. So, ilalagay nyo rito yung 6-digit code and then, ilalagay ninyo. So, after malagay ninyo yan, pwede na kayong mag-start gumamit ng StreamYard. Ang next step na gagawin ninyo ay pupunta kayo sa StreamYard login. So, dito na kayo sa StreamYard login. Yan, StreamYard login email. So, makikita nyo rito, login to your account, StreamYard. So, ipapasok nyo na rito yung email nyo. Let's say, yung email nyo na ginamit, and then may dadating na get login code sa inyo. At yun ang pag kinuha nyo yung login code, kaya makukuha nyo, pwede na kayong makalagin sa StreamYard. So kagaya nito ginagawa ko dito ngayon, login to your account. So yan ang ating how to login to your StreamYard. And then pupunta kayo sa email nyo at magkakaroon na kayo ng account sa StreamYard. So, ang gagawin natin dito ngayon, punta kayo dito sa inyong account, sa Google account nyo, and then, puntahan nyo rito yung StreamYard. Kayo sa account nyo, then punta kayo sa StreamYard. Makikita nyo rito, pag tinype nyo StreamYard login, at nandun na kayo sa account nyo, punta kayo dito. Already using StreamYard. StreamYard, login. Yan. Ito lalabas kapag meron na kayong account sa StreamYard. Create a broadcast. Pwede kayong mag-create ng broadcast. Or you can enter the studio kung meron na kayong na-create. So ako, nag-create ako ng broadcast ko para sa aking first year anniversary grand live stream on August 14. At ito mag-start ng 6:30. Within 6:30, once 6:30 p.m. na, papasok na ako, enter studio na ako. So, you will have to go there on time. But you can go there at least mga 10 minutes late or 5 minutes late. But it's better if you go there on time. Yan tayo. Filipino is on time. So, what you are going to do is to create a broadcast. So, bibigyan kayo dito ng choices. Do you want a new broadcast or use the pre-recorded video? Gagawa kayo ng bago. So, in our case, gagawa kayo ng new broadcast. So, dito, after maklik niyo yung new broadcast, mamimili kayo kung saan kayo mag-live stream. Sa Facebook ba or sa YouTube? In our case, sa YouTube tayo. Ayan, lalabas ngayon dito, title. Let's say you want to, the title is How to Create a Broadcast to YouTube using StreamYard. Broadcast or live stream using StreamYard. So, yan ang ating magiging title ngayon. How to create a broadcast or live stream to StreamYard. To YouTube using StreamYard. So, yan ang ating title. And then, kailangan may title. Hindi pwedeng wala, no? And then, description. So, pwede nyo lagyan dito. This is step-by-step procedure. How to. Ayan, how to create a broadcast. So, pwede natin i-copy na lang to. Then, i-paste natin. How to create a broadcast or live stream to YouTube using StreamYard. So that is how to create a broadcast. And then, or you can also create a broadcast or schedule a broadcast. So here you will see here the public or unlisted or private. So in our case, we want it to be public. And then you can schedule it for later, or you will create a broadcast right now. And then you are going to go on live. So that is one of the process how to create a live stream using StreamYard. So in my case, I will schedule it for later, like this, because I will not live now because I am recording. But I will schedule it for later. After 30 minutes, I will go on live stream. So I will schedule it in 30 minutes. So I will upload first. You will be asked to upload first your thumbnail. If you have a preferred thumbnail, you will get a preferred thumbnail. Let's say, for example, this one. Open, and then this will be your thumbnail. Okay, and then apply. Click apply, and then today, yes, I then you will wait after at 4 p.m. you can go on live. Then you are going to, you will go back here in this page in StreamYard and then enter the studio at 4 p.m. So once you enter the studio, it says here that you're entering a studio broadcast. Then let's check your camera and mic because I am still recording. But if not, I will just close this and the mic and camera will show up here in this part. And then it will go as part of the broadcast. So it says there you are not part of the stream yet. Click to add your audio and video. So I have to click add and video. But if I want to share, I will share the screen. I can share my screen here. Click also the share audio. Then click this and then share. And then you will see here that I am sharing my screen. And then I can click the go live. I can click the go live button here. This broadcast will not be recorded on StreamYard. To record, you'll need to upgrade your plan. You are not scheduled to start. You are not scheduled to start until 4 p.m. But you're welcome to start early. Ayan. Then go live. So I have to upgrade my plan para ako makapag go live. Or I can go live but it is just a recording. Like this one. So you can see here that I am now live, but I'm still not yet live or I'm still not yet public because it is not yet 4 p.m. Once it starts, once the time comes 4 p.m., I will automatically go on public in YouTube. So that is how to start or to schedule a broadcast and to go on live on YouTube. Okay, and I hope you like my tutorial on how to go on live stream or schedule a live stream in StreamYard. And if you like my tutorial, don't forget to click like, subscribe,